Psalm 91 is one of the most cherished and powerful passages in the Bible, often referred to as the Psalm of Protection. It speaks directly to the heart of human fear and insecurity, offering profound reassurance of God's sheltering presence. The psalm portrays God as a refuge and fortress, as a safe haven for those who choose to dwell in His presence and trust in His name, traditionally attributed to either Moses or David. Psalm 91 emphasizes divine protection, not only from physical dangers, such as disease, violence, and disaster, but also from spiritual threats. Through poetic imagery, it reveals the security found in a life closely aligned with God, reminding us that faith doesn't eliminate hardship, but it does offer an unshakable foundation in the midst of it. This psalm invites readers into a relationship of deep trust. It calls on us to abide in the secret place of the Most High, a metaphor for spiritual intimacy, where fear is overcome by confidence in God's promises. Whether read in times of peace or crisis, Psalm 91 continues to be a source of comfort, courage, and hope for generations of believers. Psalm 91 reads, "He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God. In Him will I trust. Surely He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler, and from the noisome pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feathers, and under His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day, nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. Only with thine eyes shalt thou behold, and see the reward of the wicked. Because thou hast made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation, there shall no evil befall thee, neither shall any plague come nigh thy dwelling. For He shall give His angels charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and adder. The young lion and the dragon shalt thou trample under feet. Because He hath set His love upon me, therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high. Because he hath known my name, he shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him and show him my salvation.